So you want to start a 3D printing business? Excellent choice. There are many people around the world running their own 3D printing businesses. Many of them are in college too. But hey, don't panic yet. 3D printing is a relatively new niche. So, although there is competition, the niche is hardly saturated yet, and you can make a good living starting your own 3D printing business right now. There are many areas of living where 3D printing has revolutionized the modus operandi. The healthcare and educational sectors are just two examples of many, and there are still many more sectors that are yet to be disrupted through the help of 3D printing. However you choose to go about it, there is a space for you in this niche. You could design and offer your own unique ideas. The sky is the limit. You could also recreate already existing ideas through your creativity and offer those as well. The opportunities are vast and endless. Now, there are two business models that could work well if you intend to go into 3D printing as a business. You could either start a full-fledged company, or you could offer freelance services. The first option is a good one, but only if you have sufficient experience with a significant amount of capital as well. Using this business model would involve looking out for clients in need of prototyping services or customized items. You could get their order and then ship their finished product to them. If you do not have the funds or enough experience in 3D printing, then freelance printing would be the better option for you. There are a number of online portals where people looking to start a 3D printing business can sign up as freelancers. These websites make it easier to find work. Plus, the orders are usually not too overwhelming with a single 3D printer. Since you're in college, we'd advise that you begin with freelancing first. Freelancing is less work for you and also gives you the time to gain experience without being afraid to lose so much. When you gain more confidence, perhaps when you're out of school, you can always begin your own brand and start shooting for larger orders. Now, what is it that makes every business profitable? Well, businesses are profitable when they are able to keep their cost of production really low so they can get fully maximized profits. So how do you do that with your 3D printing startup? The first thing is find the right funding. The good thing is there is currently a 3D printing hype all over the world. 3D printing homes, 3D printing space tech. There are a number of companies around the world willing to fund 3D printing businesses. You can sign up on Fabulous, for instance. Fabulous is a platform which brings investors and entrepreneurs together. Or you could check out any crowdfunding website. Whichever you choose, you'd be able to raise the funds you need to begin building your own project. But make sure you do a little bit of comparison shopping so you find the one with the best offering before you sign the dotted line. If you want to learn more, click in the upper right for a full video. Anyway, now that you have the funds, you have to now think of how you can cut down your production costs. This is where you will have to advise the outsource of a 3D printing company. Here's why. Outsourcing to a 3D printing company will save you a lot in printing costs. Plus, you wouldn't have to deal with all the aftermaths of production. This definitely makes things a lot easier for you, especially since you're still a college student with a lot on your plate already. Even at that, we'd still advise you to have at least one 3D printer set up in your room. Remember, the goal is to gain experience and build skills for when you begin your 3D printing company sometime in the future. So make sure there's a 3D printer set up in your room with which you can keep learning the techniques of 3D printing. You can carry out the smallest orders yourselves while you outsource the bigger ones to already established 3D printing companies. Now off the bat, we're going to be honest with you. All that experimenting with materials and colors will get tiring for a bit, but it's just a part of the learning curve for startups. What you should try to do is recover fast from your mistakes and keep learning no matter what. That said, there are some creative business ideas you can also consider when starting your 3D printing business. A good idea is to customize famous characters. From Spider-Man to the Justice League to the Minions, you can customize a wide range of people's beloved characters, whether heroes or villains. Yes, there is a competition, but there's also enough space in the sky for all the birds to fly. All you have to do is find the right market and look for the most popular characters in those circles. Then get some inspiration by checking out what other people have done in the past, put your own spin on it, and then produce it. You could mass produce the figures and sell online, or you could create the items based on custom orders and get a premium profit. Another idea you can explore is to offer customization and printing services. If you're having a hard time coming up with creative ideas, you could instead offer customization services based on demand. So say that your customer wants computer accessories or a mobile phone case. They'd give you their requirements and ideas, and then you'd simply print according to their terms. Your customer could give you the blueprint, so all you have to do is print. Or if they can't design the blueprint, you could ask for a picture, then design the blueprint and print. Don't forget to charge a higher fee for the extra work of designing a blueprint, maybe an add-on on Fiverr. Jewelry printing is another fantastic business idea you could consider. People are always in the market for newer and crazier designs when it comes to jewelry. If you're a jewelry enthusiast yourself, you'd enjoy creating jewelry for your customers. Plus, since you're using a 3D printer, you'd be cutting your costs. This means you can offer your rare designs to a wide range of customers at affordable prices, which will land you more clients. Electricity doesn't cost that much, and there are many platforms online where you can sell your creations to a wide range of customers across the globe. Or if you want, you could also set up your own website and Shopify store where you sell your custom jewelry. You could also work with established jewelry stores if you want to get higher returns. In today's economy, if you want to make good money, your best bet is to employ a profit-sharing model between you and the jewelry store. In fact, doing this will help your established brand before going on to start your own online business away from the jewelry store. There are many other ideas you can attempt, from creating prototypes for engineers, to designing clothes, to bioprinting, that's a big thing, to printing toys for kids, even to printing selfies and other stuff. Whatever idea you choose to try, just make sure you're trying to have fun with it and make some money while you do it. So there you have it, everything you need to know about selling up your space-age 3D printing business as a college student. We hope you find it helpful, and if you have any questions, we'd be happy to help. Please let us know your questions in the comments section. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel so you get to see more amazing videos from us. Till we come back, have a great time.